Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the TRW stabilizer sway bar links used in the video through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of the vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. Raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the 2-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Then, release and remove the upper ball joint on the stabilizer link bar. For this, take a socket wrench and a 16mm socket. Remove the nut. It may be necessary to lift the stub axle to be able to pull the sway bar links out properly. Lower the jack. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Slow down the rotation of the ball joint using a 5mm Allen key and remove the nut with a 16mm socket. Remove the nut. Then remove the connecting rod.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
You will find the TRW parts and products used in the video in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar link axle rod. Put it into the lower housing. Start to screw the nut in a little. Lift the axle stub. Then, insert the connecting rod into the upper part. Put the second nut in. Tighten the nuts with a torque spanner. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on. And lower it to the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.